So the name that's been on everybody's lips these last couple of weeks has been Luigi Mangione. Luigi Mangione. On Wednesday, December 4th, a murder took place in New York City that shocked the nation. At 6:44 a.m., Brian Thompson, CEO of United Healthcare, was gunned down on his way to the annual shareholders meeting. His assailant, unidentified, managed to get away, and a manhunt ensued for 5 days, searching for this unnamed gunman. There's footage of him, but he had his face covered with a mask. And so the police reached out to the public. And in those 5 days, there were clues that were left behind that the police found. For example, at the crime scene, on the bullet casings, were the words "deny, delay, and depose" written in marker on them. Now, for those who don't know and who are not familiar, which I wasn't until this happened, delay, deny, depose are the name of the title of a book that was written that criticizes the health insurance companies. It was called Delay, Deny, Defend: Why Insurance Companies Don't Pay Claims and What You Can Do About It, written by Jay Feinman, a Rutgers Law School professor. Okay? And so obviously that got the public stirring. Obviously a cold-blooded assassination in the middle of the street. It wasn't quite broad daylight. It was still a little bit dark, but it was in the middle of the morning, start of the day. And so obviously people were taken aback by that. Other clues that were left: the shooter's backpack was found in Central Park, and inside the backpack was Monopoly money. So now everybody's like, oh, this guy basically took this guy out, the CEO, because he was fighting for the cause, right? He was fighting for the people, essentially. And then on December 9th in Altoona, Pennsylvania, 5 days after the initial shooting, a tip was called in. And Luigi Mangione was arrested on firearms charges. He was found with a weapon and a manifesto, a handwritten manifesto. And in the manifesto, he basically derides the insurance companies and calls out their greed, which, we all know about that, right? Yeah, okay. I wasn't sure. And we found out more about Luigi Mangione, or as my New Jersey native friends and family would say, Luigi Mangione. We found out about his background. He's a 26-year-old who comes from a prominent Baltimore family. Wealthy. He was valedictorian of his very exclusive private school that he went to, and he also graduated from an Ivy League college. So, of course, as you can imagine, this set off a firestorm, right? And everybody has an opinion about what has happened with regard to the murder of Brian Thompson, the CEO of United Healthcare. And so, I feel like there's been so many angles that people have approached this. And obviously the first of the discussions is the nature of the healthcare system.